students, welcome back to your own channel Latest Mind. We are now here with another video on scoring 100 marks in real English. So the question is that what is exclusive in this video? What makes this video different from other? In this video, I will not tell you others' tips of scoring 100 marks, but I will tell you my own tips and my own strategy of scoring 100 marks in English. And this video is exclusively for 2021 aspirants. So, in this video, I will tell you some exclusive points that no one will tell you while you are preparing for exams. So, let's get started. Firstly, read each and every chapter of your English NCERT textbook thoroughly, and then write the meaning of each and every word that you are finding difficult. All over, mark the word that you are finding difficult and make a separate notebook to write that meaning. Secondly, while reading any chapter and poetry, try to make yourself prepared questions from mid of the chapters. It will just help you to understand chapter with full essence and meaning. For writing section, I will recommend that try to practice daily even a single question of letter or of article or of story. Thirdly, after reading any chapter, go for its PYQs. But what are PYQs? They are just simply previous year questions, so that you will come to know what type of questions are asked in previous year boards. And most importantly, if you are reading any poetry, try to write the meaning of each and every line in a notebook, so during revision you will not find any problem. Some important tips for attempting English exam and how I attempt my English exam. While attempting English paper, I would like to suggest to you all that first attempt literature section, as it is the only section in which we not supposed to think much more in comparison of other sections. After attempting literature section, go for writing section. If once you are completed with this section on time, then think that you are done with most of the paper. And after that, doing all this, you have choice. You can either go for grammar section or unseen passage. And most importantly, try to cover your paper within 3 hours so that you will get enough time for revision. Most important tips, my suggestion to all of you is that while attempting exam, try to avoid overwriting and the work should be very much neat and clean. Highlight each and every section before starting. Try to avoid making grammatical mistakes. And other most important thing is that in writing section there are always much and more choices. So try to do that question in which you are confident. And at last, I would like to suggest that if you will follow my strategy of preparing and giving English exam, I am fully assuring you that no one will be able to cut your single marks in English board exams. If you like this video, please hit a like button and thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.